In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs Sound Effects to get started. Log into your account on the ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can move around comfortably. On the left side menu, find the Sound Effects or SFX tool and open it. This is where you'll create custom sound effects using AI. Now the most important part is your prompt in the search bar. Type a highly descriptive explanation of the exact sound you need. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. Instead of typing something simple like thunder, describe the mood, texture, and setting of the sound. For example, you might write something like distant thunder rumbling over an empty field with cinematic quality. A detailed prompt gives the AI stronger direction and helps it generate results that feel closer to what you imagined. When writing your prompt, make sure to include useful details such as the environment, the speed, and the distance of the sound. Think about where the sound is happening, how fast or slow it should feel, and whether it should sound close, far away, soft, sharp, heavy, or subtle. These small details can make a big difference in the quality and realism of the final effect. Next, set the duration for your audio file. This lets you control exactly how long the sound effect should be, which is especially useful if you are matching audio to a video scene, transition, or background moment. If you need an ambient sound that can repeat smoothly, like room tone, a ticking clock, or any continuous background texture, turn on the seamless loop feature. This helps the sound play continuously without an obvious cut, which is great for longer edits or atmospheric scenes. You will also see a prompt influence slider. This setting controls how closely the AI follows your written prompt. A lower setting allows for more creativity and variation, while a higher setting keeps the result more faithful to your description. If you want something experimental, lower it a bit. If you want precision, raise it. Once everything looks good, click Generate. The AI will quickly create multiple variations of your sound effect based on the prompt and settings you chose. Hover over the generated clips to listen to them and compare the options carefully. When you find the version that works best, click the Download button to save the file. You can typically choose between high bitrate MP3 or WAV, depending on your project needs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.